Hi, this is Hui Xu from Inner Art of Music. In this video, I will discuss Brahms Waltz Opus 39, number 15. This is an intermediate level piece. Brahms finished his composition Opus 39, a collection of 16 waltzes, in 1865. The first version is for piano four hands. Later, he arranged the composition for solo piano in both original and simplified versions. When Brahms composed the Waltz Opus 39, he was in Vienna. The waltzes are a symbol to both the dance form for which Vienna had become famous and the music of Schubert. Brahms had passionate about Schubert's music. Before composing his collection of waltzes, he had already edited and arranged some of Schubert's music. The Waltz number 15 is the most played and popular one in the collection. The lovely, gentle, flowing dance melody indicates the Viennese character. Both original and simplified versions of this piece are in the same ABA-BA form. The two versions are in different keys. The original solo piano version is in the key of A-flat major. The simplified solo piano version is in the key of A major. The suggested tempo is around 95 per quarter note. This tempo will provide a light-hearted character to the music. The first A section is from measure 1 to 8. The first B section is from measure 9 to 14. The next A section is from measure 15 to 22. The next B section is from measure 23 to 28. The last A section is from measure 29 to 36. I always suggest that students practice pieces by sections. When you learn a new piece, always avoid playing it from the beginning to the end. Today, we discuss the background and structure of Brahms Waltz Opus 39, number 15. In the next video, I will continue to discuss the details of this piece. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, don't forget to share with others. I will see you next time.